Students, I have come today with a little problem. Very short problem, very important and easy to understand. The problem is concerned with isomerism, which is part of alkenes. So this is fifth part of the alkenes. Under isomerism, there is a problem and I am going to give its solution. So the problem is, write the acyclic stereoisomers. Write the acyclic stereoisomers for a compound containing molecular formula C4H7Cl. So the given compound is having molecular formula C4H7Cl and we have to write stereoisomers, but acyclic stereoisomers. Acyclic means the stereomers which are only in the open chain and not in cyclic form. So I am going to provide a proper solution for the question. The solution, first part of this question is stereoisomers. It is a collective name for optical isomers and geometrical isomers. The collective name. Stereoisomer is the collective name of optical isomers and the geometrical isomers. Secondly, molecular formula C4H7Cl suggests that the given compound is monochloro-derivative of butene. The molecular formula C4H7Cl suggests that the compound is monochloro-derivative of butene, which is formed by replacement of one hydrogen atom by chlorine atom. Molecular formula C4H7Cl suggests that the compound is monochloro-derivative of butene, in which is formed by replacement of one hydrogen atom by a chlorine atom. If we know the different structural formula of parent butene, then we can easily produce the number of isomers of the given molecule. So the knowledge of different forms of butene which is parent is essential. So the parent C4H8 and the compound is C4H7Cl compound. At this stage not known, but when I will write the structure of parent, then come to know about the structure of C4H7Cl compound. As we know that butene molecule exists in number of isomers, in which one is CH3, CH2, H, and this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. One butene, one of these isomer of C4H8. I am going to write about the C4H7Cl by replacing one hydrogen atom. Replace this hydrogen atom by Cl. This is vinylic hydrogen. So the resulting molecule will be this one, Cl and H1. This is cis form, cis isomer, because both hydrogen is on one side of the double bond. So it is the cis isomer. Write it as number 1. Molecular formula C4 1 2 3 4. Hydrogen atom 7 3 2 1 and 1 7 and this Cl. So this cis isomer represents the molecular formula C4H7Cl. Second time this hydrogen is also replaced by Cl. In this case we find this structure. This is trans isomer, because both hydrogens are in opposite sides. So this is trans isomer. Label it isomer number 2. So this is one of the form of parent butene. With this help of this structure, we have shown 2 isomers. One is cis, another is trans. Each of them has molecular formula C4H7Cl. Now see the second structure of the parent molecule. Second structure of parent molecule, which is butene. This structure of butene does not contribute, no contribution towards stereoisomers. The reason is very simple. This carbon carries 2 identical methyl groups. If I replace one methyl group by H, then we get this carbon atom containing identical hydrogen atom. So due to this reason, any new stereomers cannot be created with the help of this structure. Therefore, this structure has no contribution towards stereoisomers. Has no contribution. Towards stereoisomers. Now see the third structure of the parent. This is this third. This is CH3, CH3, H. This is cis2 butene. This carbon and is carrying H and CH3. Other carbon also carry H and CH3. So both carbon atoms are carrying the same substituents. So I am going to replace first one hydrogen from CH3 and add one chlorine atom. So molecule will look like this: CH2Cl and this H. This is geometrical isomers because sp2 carbon carries in each case two different substituents. So this is isomer. Label it as 3. Now replace this hydrogen by Cl. Then we get another structure, CH3C, CH3 and Cl. This is CF3, replace of this one. This is cis. See, both the CH3 group are lying on the same side of the double bond, so it is also this is cis isomer. This is level it as 4. So with this structure, with the help of cis-2-butene, we have generated two other geometrical isomer. One is 3rd and other is 4. This is geometrical isomer, no doubt, because each sp2 carbon carries two different substituents. This carbon, two different substituents. This carbon carries two different substituents. In this case also, each of the sp2 carbon carries two different substituents. Hence, both are the geometrical isomers. By chance, both are cis isomers. Now, the fourth structure of parent is trans-2-butene. Trans-2-butene. This is trans-2-butene. This structure will generate two geometrical isomers H. First, I replace this hydrogen by Cl. So we get CH3, CH double bond C, Cl, CH3. This is the trans. This is the trans isomer. Label it 5. And now replace the hydrogen from methyl group by Cl. So we get CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH2Cl. In this case, it is the trans isomer. It is the trans isomer. Label it 6. So both are the geometrical isomers because each of the sp2 carbon carries two different substituents. In this case and in this case too. So there are 6 geometrical isomers which are obtained with the help of different isomers of parent molecule, which is butene. So there are 6 geometrical isomers. Now see about the other structure or the first structure of butene, already mentioned. With the help of this structure, I am going to replace this hydrogen atom by Cl. So you write here, replace this hydrogen by Cl, we get the compound CH3 CCl this is H and this is CH double bond CH2. This compound we get. In this compound, this carbon is bonded to 4 different atoms or the substituent: methyl, chlorine, hydrogen and vinyl group. So this carbon is chiral carbon. Chiral carbon. So it will show the optical isomers. It will show the optical isomers. So the number of optical isomers is equal to 2n, where n is the number of chiral carbon. So it is 2 to the power 1 equal to 2. So it will show 2 optical isomers, which I am going to show you. So, CH3 Cl H CH double bond CH2. Put a mirror here. This is 7 and its mirror image will come like this: CCl, H and CH3. This is 8, structure 8. Both are related as the 7 and 8. Both are related as object and mirror image, but they are non-superimposable. So it is called enantiomers. Enantiomers. So enantiomers are those optical isomers which are related as object and mirror image, but they are non-superimposable. So non-superimposable mirror image. So the number 7 and 8 both are the optical isomers. So the total number of stereoisomers is equal to 8. Out of which 6 are geometrical isomers. Number of geometrical isomers is equal to 6, from 1 to 6. Number of optical isomers is equal to 2. 7 and 8 only. 7 and 8 only. So this is the solution of this problem. Thank you very much.